5 Best Air Conditioning Appliance Parts. Here is the product number 5. New Stable Magnetic Levitation Module System. When you test it, the backing, and the some paper on the base for protect the magnetic. When we test today, get on institution that work fine, then, the magnetic down, and they you try again and again, still down. No like this, if you try, then broken, then dispute to seller. No, I have solved the problem, as cool the machine for about 3 to 6 minutes. Take off down. Here is the product number 4. 5 PCs/HU4102 Humidifier Filters. Humidifier Filters. HU4102, Philips Humidifier Filters Model, HU4801/HU4802/HU4803. Packing, 5 pieces humidifier filters. Note, please select it according to your air purifier model. Tip, if you have any questions, please contact me, or leave a message to us, we will do our best to help you. Thanks. Thanks. Here is the product number 3. Original OEM HU filters, humidifier filters. HU4102. 4, Philips Humidifier Filters Model. HU4801/HU4802/HU4803. Packing, 1 pieces humidifier filters. 1 healthy air, 2 advanced humidification filter, bacteria and scale can be absorbed. Note, please select it according to your air purifier model. Here is the product number 2. 10 PCs HEPA antibacterial anti-dust cotton. Product name, HEPA PM2.5 dust net electrostatic electrics cotton. Size, 68 by 30 cm. Features, electrostatic electric filter using 3D acupuncture process, less wind resistance, cleanability. Effectively extend the filter life of 3 to 5 times. The size of the product for all types of air purifier HEPA filter, applicable to all types. Here is the product number 1. 10 pieces 8 mm humidifiers filters. Brand name GJ. Type humidifier parts. Model number :8x130. Package including 10 pieces 8 130 mm humidifiers filters. Suit to 1 air humidifier. Suit to 2 atomizer. Suit to 3 aroma diffuser. Suit to 4 air freshener. Suit to 5 mist maker. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.